When I started to understand the Eastern Park a little bit more and understand the trees, one of the areas we found were two large circles of Aleppo pines, one near the barbecue shoulder and one a little bit further to the east. I've always wondered why they were planted and why John Roddenberry planted these trees in this circle. Maybe it was for a group or a party or a recital or a play or a picnic. Never really been quite sure. Maybe it was the fact that it attracted fairies and other people had other ideas. I don't know. I've always wondered and always thought about it as to why they would be here. Historically, it's created a lot of interest with historians of today as to why John Roddenberry would have planted these. I don't know. I can't answer those questions. But I have a nice linkage here. I like standing in these trees and listening to the birds and looking at the bay and thinking back to say, well, why can't I plant something like this and do something else? And these are the things that we're sort of looking at again within our future and our heritage, to establish the old walkways, to establish the another circle of trees, re-establish the old concepts of the past while putting new and interesting areas into the future. Historically, with the circle, as I said, it's a bit like Stonehenge. You stand in the middle of the tree and you wonder why Stonehenge was built. In this here, we stand in the trees and think, well, if it's Stonehenge, what did they use it for? You often come down here and you'll find that people had a picnic in this area because they're just sitting in a circle of trees.